Hey guys, it's Cody with American Pool & Spa. Today I want to go over real quick the Aria from the HighLife Collection of HotSprings. So with this you're going to get a lot of great features such as the Moto-Massage jet system, the masseuse that never quits, moves up and down your back, a really slick feature. You can have the lounge seat with vertical upright seating. Each seat is going to give you a different experience in and of itself. There's a lot of things available for it, such as Bluetooth speaker systems that will mount here. Salt cell available for it, the Ace saltwater system. People love that mineral water feel, and the salt will help sanitize the water. You also have upgraded filtration through the Tri-X filter system. There's be high service life filters that are extremely effective and zero bypass. No water is going to get by them, all through them. And so if you're interested in the Aria, reach out to us through a couple different ways. You can just come into the shop, call us at 859-623-0124, visit the website, AmericanPoolAndSpaKY.com, or send us an email at info@AmericanPoolAndSpaKY.com.